little bit of maintenance to get the car ready for this weekend. Basically what we call is a nut and bolt check. But we found a little leak, had to change out a line right here. That line right there runs to the quick change rear end. So if you want to fill it up or anything like that, you can just do it from right up here. I'm changing the oil, using an old Wix. Let's see what I use a Wix filter, racing filter, and cleaned carburetor and all the linkage and everything. You know, you lube it up, make sure it's all free. Got the breathers, getting them soaked down, getting ready to clean them. I need to push the car back out, and since we've had the nose off, I'm going to try to spray out the radiator a little bit more, but we'll go around, nut bolt and check all of our ball joints, tie rods, shocks. Just go to the car, you know, real good and make sure everything's nice and tight. Dry shaft to make sure it's good and tight. Being gone for 28 days, I lose so much. And everybody keeps saying seat time. Well, I can't get seat time whenever I'm on the boat. All right, everybody. Back underneath the car here. Gotta get ready to put our old plug for the Earl. Get the old plug in. Get her tightened down. And so we'll get it tightened down. Need to check the starter, make sure the starter's all good. And then, like I said, the old dry shaft, check her out. And all of our suspension parts on the bird cage where the shocks connect, double check them. And our J-bar, make sure it's nice and tight. And then we can start putting some lube on all of our heims. It's time to put some old Earl down in the car. She'll take about 7 quarts. And all that good old stuff. Like I said, we'll double check the carburetor, make sure everything's nice and working well, springs are good, make sure everything's nice and tight. Throttle cable and striver, make sure, we'll go and make sure it's good and tight. But just general maintenance, about like anything else, but it really needs to be done every week. These things beat and bang around, jump around. And so, and we got greasing to do. We got some greasing there. We got some greasings on the frame right there, go across. All of our linkages going across, make sure they're good and greased up. And like I said, still got to clean that. So, alrighty, we'll turn you back on a little bit later. Got my trusty old socket and impact. Take the wheels off, take the lug nuts off. Took them off all 4 corners. That way it'd be a lot easier to get in and do some greasing and bolt check. You know, just makes it a lot easier to get in there. And, old Reed got him a pit bike, so poor fella ain't gonna have to be walking so much. We got him a bike to drive back and forth in the pits, so, but took this one off, check all of these, check the heims, spray them down with WD-40 or so and keep them nice and lubed up and everything. Boy, change some tires. Yeah, I could use a couple sets of tires, or a couple tires, but you might change them out. I might get this week out of them, and that's going to probably be about it. So, got my trusty old grease gun to get up underneath here and start hitting them grease fittings. So, hey, catch up with you a little bit later on. Hey man, just whenever you think that you're doing a good job and everything like that, trying to keep it clean, it all coming out of the radiator, man. And I don't even run up front, man. I mean, I don't even go fast enough yet. I'm working on that. But anyway, all right, got that one done. Let's see what's next. And now I guess it wants to rain. So now I got to try to move everything back in. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. But I guess that's what we'll do. Pull everything back in, get the nose finally done, and get on to the next thing here. Now I just got to get it in the old box here. So come on out Saturday night and see us. Becky Motor Speedway. Get it on.